Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeSocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use a countdown effect on a TikTok video. TikTok has cool editing features and effects that help its users to make engaging videos. One of these effects is called countdown. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now record a video by pressing on the button or upload it from your camera roll by hitting the gallery icon. After that, tap the effects icon, select the transition from the menu and hit the countdown. Click Save. Also, you can edit your video by writing something, inserting stickers, adding sounds if you want. After that, tap the next button. Upload your video by pressing on the post button. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use a countdown effect on a TikTok video. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreeSocial.com.